Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About the first one, we will have about e to the power of ax divided by e to the power of 5x. This one we can write into e to the power of ax minus 5x. 8 minus 5, you got about 3. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of 3x over number 3. Number 3, that's about coefficient of x. And now we put about sin here. Question number 2, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine 4x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have du equals to negative number 4 sine 4x dx. Because we don't have negative number 4, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 4. So this one we change by u. This one we change by du over negative number 4. The integration of e to the power of u, you got about e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about cosine 4x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.